Lisa here with a colored umbrella, and I'm back with some things that I have in my craft room that totally make sense and I can't live without. I am obsessed with this item. I just got it recently. I was a little bit leery about it. It works so good and I have to share. A couple months ago, I did post one with a milk frother that works great for mixing epoxy. I still love that so much. I have a cup turner that I get from Amazon that I absolutely love. And I noticed that the brand that makes that cup turner came out with an epoxy mixer. This epoxy mixer is amazing. Let me show you. It is Lufasum. Don't ask me how to say that. It is battery operated, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about cords or anything like that. The mixers are silicone, so easy to clean off. You just peel the epoxy right off of them. It has two different options. There's this one right here, kind of looks like a boat propeller, or there is also this one that is just a little bit bigger. It actually came with some extra ones as well. It also comes with the world's smallest and cutest little silicone mat. You do also get a silicone mixing cup with this. I'm not a big fan of the silicone mixing cup, so I probably won't really ever use this for epoxy, but if you do use them, it comes with one, so there you go. It actually has the power button right there, and it has 3 different speeds, so you can do slow, medium, or fast. But the fast speed, it still isn't like super fast. There you have it. It worked so good. I will say it does create bubbles. I'm not gonna lie and say there's no bubbles at all. Honestly, with epoxy, as long as you have like a torch or something, the bubbles, I'm sure you could see from the video, popped so quick and it wasn't even an issue at all. Also, that was Counterculture's Fast Set Epoxy, which is a thicker epoxy, so I did have to mix it on the faster speed. Just get this recently, so it is like a newer item, but I've used it a few times now and I've honestly been so impressed with it. I mean, can you see, like, look at the shine. It's so good. I haven't had any issues with my epoxy not setting correctly from not being mixed all the way. I am definitely gonna call this a craft room must-have. Also, I love that it has this cute little holder on there, so I can just put these right there and they stay in place. So then they are a lot easier to keep track of and not lose. I do have this in my craft room must-haves list, so you can check it out there. If you have any questions on it, or if you would like to see me mixing a certain type of epoxy with it to see if it works well with it, let me know in the comments. But I hope you have the most amazing day ever. Happy epoxy mixing.